Hi guys, we're out in the woods with the Spiderbot. He's been pretty popular on my videos, and last outing I managed to break one of the gears, so I've done a video repairing him. The gear that I found is a bit thinner, so it's probably not as strong as the one that I've replaced. So I'll give it a fairly gentle run, just round on the relative flat stuff here. See how we get on. I've put a couple of cameras out, just so we can try and capture some of it from low level. I shall wear my hat camera, and we'll just go round and round. Just in case you haven't seen any of these videos before, check the video description. There'll be a link to the playlist that shows all the videos relating to this Spiderbot and how it was built, all the rest of it. So, controls. One stick for each motor, so that one, together, forwards. The only trouble is, it hasn't got much ground clearance, so it does get stuck out here. A little bit like going off-road, trying to find a route that it can manage. I can hear the gears slipping already. Yeah, I think that's it. I think we've already killed that new gear. Oh dear. It was never designed to do this sort of off-road stuff. Oh, wait a minute. That's the other side that's gone. This is the repaired side with the new gear in it. That's the one that was okay. Oh, that's annoying. So we've broken the other gear now. Oh well, we did about 10 feet. Yeah, okay, well we'll collect up the cameras and put it away. Such is life. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.